Hello friends, this is Megha and welcome to my channel Crazy for Health. And today we're gonna make an easy cheesy garlic bread recipe at home without using the oven. This is a very easy and very delicious recipe. So if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. Without any further delay, let's get started.
So first I'm taking 3 slices of whole wheat bread. Now we're gonna cut the corners. If you don't have whole wheat bread, just use plain white bread. Next, we will be toasting the bread from one side. Do not toast on the other side. As you can see, one of the sides have become a little golden brown, so I'm going to take them out. Next, we'll make the garlic butter. For that, I'm taking a bowl and into that I'll be adding Nutralite Spread. Nutralite is a healthy alternative to regular butter, so I have used it, but you can anyways go ahead and add any butter. Next, I'm adding crushed garlic. Just a little pinch of black pepper powder and a little pinch of salt, and give this a good mix. The butter should be in room temperature. Our garlic butter is ready, and now I've taken cheese cube that I've grated, and into that I'm adding mixed herbs. If you don't have mixed herbs, just add any seasoning that you have, oregano, chili flakes, etc. And a bit of red chili powder. This is optional. You can add red chili flakes instead. And mix the cheese well. Our butter and cheese mixture is now ready. Now we'll apply butter on the side that is toasted. So take a generous amount of the butter and apply evenly on the side that is toasted already. Since we will be toasting the other side now. Once done, top the bread slices with the grated cheese mixture. And now they are ready to be roasted. So in a flat pan, grease some of the butter that we made. And now place the cheese toast carefully. Keep the flame to low to medium and cover the pan with a lid, and let this bread cook for around 2 to 3 minutes till the cheese is nicely melted and the bread is crispy from the other side. So we'll check in between. After 2 to 3 minutes, roughly, the bread slices are ready to be served. The cheese has nicely melted and they are looking just amazing. The aroma of the garlic, the cheese and the butter is just divine. As you can see, the bread has become crispy golden brown in color. This is the perfect texture that we want. Now I'm gonna plate it. So I'm going to cut the bread slice into half, cut it into triangles, or just leave it as it is. and serve these cheesy garlic bread slices hot, along with tomato ketchup or any dip that you have. And now our beautiful looking cheese garlic bread is ready.